Hello YouTube. Here's a quick video to show some of the features of a Reed model 134.5R machinist bench vise. This one here is about 21 inches in length, 9 inches tall, 4.5 inches jaws. The usable length here is affected by the screw, which is exposed and not internal here. Looks like 3.5 inches. With a usable opening of just about 7 inches. This one here looks like it would have removable jaws, but I'm sure they're not any longer available. It's so old. If anyone has any idea when this model was produced, what time period, let me know in the comments. Thank you.